In the last episode, we have been talking about the changes the Industry 4.0 brings to all our businesses. Today, we will talk about the challenges and opportunities our customers face. Thomas, can you tell me a little bit more what we frequently hear from our customers?
Absolutely. So many of our customers, they face the challenges you have mentioned, driven by Industry 4.0 and digitalization every day.
Yep.
So therefore, it is important that they become better every day by optimizing constantly their production workflows in terms of quality or competitiveness, and maintaining their own growth by expanding customer segments or even get access to new customers. So for our solution projects, this usually means we have to optimize capabilities and capacities by adding new machines, replacing old machines, integrating third-party systems, or selling them complete new production cells. It's also quite common that we have to increase the level of automation to make sure that the automated material flow really is optimized and customized to the customer requirements. And finally, it ends up with the complete digitalization of the production process, whereby machines are networked and cross-system data flows are paving the way towards a real smart factory.
That sounds very complex. So how do we start and how do we approach a solution project?
Regardless of the size and the complexity, every solution business starts with an analysis of the specific situation of our customer's production environment. To make sure that hardware and software really integrates and interacts seamlessly, we work together with our customers and define their vision of the future material and data flow.
The material and data flow. The material flow, I guess, is very clear to most of our customers due to the applications they want to run. The data flow whatsoever sounds more complex and more of a question mark. So how do we analyze and how would we design a data flow?
This is absolutely true. In comparison to the material flow, the data flow is quite often a more abstract topic. To help us in diagnosis the current state and together with the customer define and develop the future target state of the data flow, we use the so-called digital maturity model. The diagnosis with this model is based on information we are collecting at customer site. So we are asking our customers about processes, about data, what data is available, what are they doing with the data. Infrastructure means what kind of systems are already there, what kind of systems are planned in the future, and people. Basically, what are the people doing with the systems that are already there and with the data? We are doing that for operations, logistics, quality, and other important areas of the sheet metal production. Based on that diagnosis, the customer and also we from the Solution Center got a better understanding what is the current digital maturity level, and based on that, we can propose possible next steps. So if now the customer decides to move on with the digitization of his production process, we work together with the customer and define really the best solution to address his business goals in terms of network production. And then later on, it will be a step-by-step realization for the material flow and the data flow.
Step-by-step realization, that sounds like a very smooth process which doesn't interrupt the production of our customers. So how do we then install and prepare that solutions on site?
You're absolutely right. It is important not to stop completely the production that is ongoing on customer side, and for that we have developed a project methodology which is divided in 5 phases with clear milestones and also with a very high customer centricity. So everything starts with the pre-project phase, as we just have discussed. We are defining material and data flow. Then we move on into the preparation phase, where we finalize, for example, the layouts. Then we move on to the realization phase, where the different machines and subsystems got delivered to customer site. Then in the commissioning phase, everything is glued together to realize the data and material flow we have agreed together with the customer. And then the go-live phase starts, where we are still on site and support our customers during the go-live phase. So based on this well-established project methodology, I would say yes, we are a reliable and professional solution partner for our customers.
Sounds good. So our solution experts design and implement the solution with the customer until the handover to them. But how do we secure then that the performance of the solution is kept on a high level over its lifetime?
To make sure that our solution really meets the customer expectation from day one and along the entire life cycle of the solution, we have a worldwide service organization in place. This service organization takes care on the customer and as well as on the installation and offers them customized packages to make sure that the customer investment really produces the benefits what the customer was looking for.
Thank you, Thomas. So it's now time to start thinking about your future manufacturing workflows. You have heard that Bystronic can help you to optimize your workflows and to implement solutions from single machines over automated cell right to the fully integrated smart factory.
Yes, we from the global solution community are looking forward to meeting you and discussing with you your future vision of your production. We are ready for that. We are looking forward to getting in contact with you.
Thank you.